Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, and I'm making breakfast. It's a power breakfast. We're having cut steel oats, and normally I do egg whites, but I'm having veggie eggs. Got some dandelion greens, spinach, onion, bell pepper, and tomatoes, and a little bit of cheese. And I'm gonna have my good morning power drink. Cayenne pepper in the eggs. And I'm finna put the vegetables in. Get ready for my flip. Get all my vegetables here in the morning. Get our vegetables in the morning. Tomato. Cheese. Ready to flip it. Go ahead and close her up and see what happens. Oh yeah, can't complain about that one. Now we're gonna make omelet number 2. A lot. So the pepper. Like I said earlier, we got a little dandelion greens. See that leaf? I just put the whole leaf in there. The bell pepper. I usually have mushrooms and onions, or mushrooms. Need to run to the stove. Tomato. This is the ultimate omelet. Okay. There we go. Can't complain, can't complain. Yeah, omelet's pretty much done. Turn the power off. Bam. It's pretty much my breakfast. steel cut oats and our veggie omelet. Down with my breakfast, got the steel cut oats and my omelet for my wife. And I got a steel cut oats for myself. And I got my green Incredible Hulk power drink. I try to have that every day. It's a little nasty, but I choke it down. It's all about being healthy. Stay healthy, stay away from the doctors.